Then add some bread.
It says, oh, hello for part 2.
Hello.
For part 2.
For part 2. Make sure you crumble the pictures. Sorry about the noise. Stop mixing. Make sure you don't add too much. And then, time by time, add more and more and more. Sorry about the burps. And then get more. And start mixing.
Jesus, look at my dough. It should look like this.
Look at my dough. No, it should look like my dough.
Bring it up.
I'm so creamy. And then add more cream until you've got it's turning good. And now add even more bread.
Till all your bread's used up.
Until all your bread is all mixed up. Make sure you don't add the crumbs. Or you add crumbs, but don't add the brown sides. Because they're not good for the
Mixture.
mix.
See you later on part 2.
See you later in part 3.
Is the story of